Hi everyone, welcome to Real Maya channel. This is my apple tree. So I planted this 2 years back.
Again, we are growing this tree using the permaculture rules. Like, we didn't put anything to this except the wood chips, and we water, and even I add bioenzymes so that the microbes will help for the plant. So that's the reason we are adding lots of bioenzymes to this, which is really helpful, and it's really giving good fruits, and the size of the fruit is not bad, and it tastes very good, sweet taste. This is Liberty Red Apple.
These are apple blooms. These flower in March, and these are pear. This is another common pear. So the apples needs pollinators, like it needs another apple trees. But if we don't have apple trees, then the other ones are the pear. That's the reason I've shown the pear flowers. So they should bloom at a time. The apple and the pear should bloom at a time. So this needs at least two pollinators additionally. So you need at least 3 trees. These are current apples. That's in September. So after like March to September, this takes the form, and they're good to eat within few days.
Again, we are growing this tree using the permaculture rules. Like, we didn't put anything to this except the wood chips, and we water, and even I add bioenzymes so that the microbes will help for the plant. So that's the reason we are adding lots of bioenzymes to this, which is really helpful, and it's really giving good fruits, and the size of the fruit is not bad, and it tastes very good, sweet taste. So let's see how this fruit tastes. So I'm going to take bite. It's very tasty and sweet.
Another interesting tree I could like to share is the walnut tree. These are the walnuts cut open, and I'm going to show you how to grow this tree.
So this is walnut tree. Here are all the walnuts. So this again, first time we got the walnuts. We planted this last year. This is 2 years old. So this is black walnut. So again, for this tree we didn't put anything other than wood chips. So it's very important not to put wood chips around the trunk, because what happens is the wood chips are organic matter and it decays, and there are sometimes termites too. So those will come to the plant. That's the reason we need to leave little bit space around, then put the wood chips. So the walnut tree, they say it's not really good, because under the tree nothing grows. At least they say 30 to 40 feet, and this length of the trees goes more than 40 feet. But we are just trying this tree. We don't know how it comes out, but right now we just planted this tree. I'm going to show you how this looks. These are like with the skin. That's the reason the color is like this. Walnut is nothing like, it's also called akhroad in Hindi. So this looks like brain, they say, and it's very useful for brain. So this gives nice nourishment to the brain. That's the reason it's good to eat this.
So I just peeled it. So this is how it looks. I'll just cut it and show you. This is how it looks inside. So this is the walnut. Looks like it needs some more time. Let me taste this. It didn't get that taste. Maybe it requires some more time. It's a little bit bitter because the outer, those skin part is more in this. That's the reason. So I need to wait some more time to get it nice, the tasty ones with lot of fat in it. This is one more. This looks better than the first one. Store-bought apples have wax coat on it, so it's not that good. So these are the best one. Homegrown ones are the best ones, or farm ones are good. So this is my today's harvest. So I got potato, some bean, and some sorrel leaves and tomatoes. That's it for my today's produce. Apple a day or a walnut a day keeps you healthy. Keep eating every day some fruit.
For more details, look into the description box below. If you like this video, share it with your friends. If you're new to my channel, hit the subscribe button and see you with next video. Until then, bye.